So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the black backgrounds perfectly directly in Premiere Pro without using any green screen effect or anything. Now, in order to do it, first of all, drag and drop the clip over the top of the clip that you want to remove the background of. Now, for example, there is the clip. I'll just simply remove the black part from it. Now, in order to do it, just simply click on the effects control while selecting that particular clip, and here scroll down until you see this option of opacity, and here under the blend mode just simply either select the darken. In this mode you'll see all the dark parts have been blended, or you can just simply select the screen as well. So you'll notice that all the dark part from this video have been removed, and whatever is the background on it, you'll see it on the screen. So you can use this method easily to remove all the dark parts, or the dark background from the videos that you want without using the green screen effect. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.